guess what time it is? It is early. It's 5:44. I did wake up officially got up out of bed at like 5:15 and went to the bathroom and took care of myself. And now I'm in here. I'm tired. I didn't go to bed I went to bed at an okay time, but I didn't fall asleep until later, so I'm tired. So I'm gonna try this out today to see how my body feels. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get to work. I think instead of the skirt while my babies are sleeping and this Passover dress is white, I think I'm gonna work on that first. Cause they'll be walking around and I don't want them stepping on nothing. So I think I'm gonna work on the Passover dress, and then later today, if I'm okay, I'm gonna finish working on the skirt. So here we go, y'all. I'm here, partially. I'm tired. I'm deepy. I got a breakfast smoothie that I made last night, made with fruits and some kefir milk that I've made, and a little bit of regular milk with some protein in it. So hopefully that helps with my hunger portion. I also have an apple, so we're gonna see how this works out for your girl and this bundle of joy down here. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get started, okay? I did it. Let's see if I can do it tomorrow.
Could I in a rain or shine when hungry about it? Me still a praise the Almighty. Watch out now. All when things don't look so bright in my life, me still a hold firm on your promise. You are gonna come true. Confidence in a you are higher. No matter the secrets, but me telling you always stay true. All praises to you. Confident in a you are higher. No matter the circumstances, you always come true.
Hey everybody, so I got the bodice done. I just need to take the side seams in, which I did. So as you see, it was here, now it's here. On both sides for the lining and the main fabric of the bodice. And what I have to do next is I have to take in an inch starting at the waist, starting waist of the skirt, and then adjust to the other measurements that I have. Adjust to the other measurements that I have that needs to be taken in for this dress. So yeah, so I'm not gonna do that now. My time is pretty much up. I'm gonna hang this dress up, we're gonna hang this dress up. I'm still tired. I'm gonna hang this dress up and go ahead and get breakfast started. This is the normal time I would get up before I got pregnant, so I'm struggling a little bit. After I hang this up, I'm probably gonna sit and just drink some more water for a second, but yeah. Normally I wake the kids up after I make breakfast, so this will be new for them too for a long time. They haven't woke up this early in a while, so it should be fun. So yeah, I'm gonna hang this up. I'm gonna hang this up and get ready for the rest of the day, okay? Ooh.
All glory to you. Closer than a brother, what a friend you are to me. You send your son to the cross to die for me. Me not lie, we know we get it. Anyone me come, me confess it. Me get let down by man many times, so me know me can't trust them, no. But when it comes to you, erase all the doubt. So me fully confident in you are higher. Yeah. No matter the secrets, when me tell you are me stay true higher. All praises to you. Confident.
Hey everybody, how you doing? Yapah here. I'm back. Same day. What? You get me twice in the same day. So, I did not stay up after working. I stayed up for a little bit to like get our oatmeal together like in the bowls, and then I put a top over it because I was realizing as I was going on, I was like, I'm going back to sleep. So I did. My husband came out. He's getting ready for work. I'm like, babe, I'm going back to bed. He's like, okay. So I went back to sleep and I slept for about an hour. I think it was about an hour. Yeah, I think it was about an hour. Because then I didn't have to get myself up to get ready for the day like I normally would, because I did that earlier at like 5 when I woke up around 5. So all good. I went to sleep, woke up. It was good sleep too. It would have been better if my kids wasn't making noises and stuff, but it's all good. I feel a little better. I just slurred my words. I feel a little better than I did earlier. So I think tonight I have to focus on going to sleep on time, because then tomorrow, just maybe, I can continue on through the rest of the day without needing to go back to sleep. Or I might just go back to sleep. I don't know. I kind of liked how that felt, so we shall see. But you saw I worked on the Passover dress alterations, so I'm not going to work on that until tomorrow morning again. I'm going to start on this dress, on this skirt. I'm going to start on this skirt now so I can get done with that. And yeah, I think let's see. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to kick you guys. Yeah, so I needed to iron this down. Oh, I said I was going to add interfacing to this part, so that way it's more sturdier to me. I don't like the way it feels compared to the rest of the skirt. The rest of the skirt feels nice and tough. This part, the middle part, middle part of the skirt does not. So I'm going to add some interfacing here. Unfortunately, it won't be black because I don't have any black interfacing right now. So there's that. But it's all good. You won't see it anyway. And I have to sew down the bottom part for this elastic to be secure. I'm going to iron this all down. Then I think I'm going to wait on the zipper. Maybe. We'll see. I'm trying to see if I'm going to put the zipper in first or do the ruffles at the bottom first. So we shall see, guys. So far it's looking good. She's looking good. Okay. Okay. On that side, I need to double check the measurements of the skirt and whatnot. So I'm going to do all that now. I'm going to do this interfacing first. I'm going to turn this iron on, get set up, and I'll be straight. I put the black thread back on, I think. Yes, I did. So I'm good to go. So I'm going to get to work. Come on. Should turn the iron on first.
Confident in a you are. No matter the circumstances, you always come true. All glory to you. Watch out now. Right I know things kinda tough. Me now worry myself in you, me put all my trust. You tell Abraham fi step out to a place unknown, but him still never doubt. You know why me trust the Almighty. Anytime me have a need, and him always supply me. No tough situation, no fears me in any weather. Boy, confidence in a you are higher. No matter the secrets, from me telling you always stay true are higher. All praises to you. Confident in a you are higher. No matter the circumstances, you always come true. All glory to you. No Enough of them a chat him out, so you can't tell them nothing. Then we go behind your back and go chat you. If you are fine, them wouldn't try get you. This is the truth and the whole truth. I can always rely on you. I when the money not there and the bills them overdue. Confidence.
So, issue. I checked the front. The sizing for that is fine. The back, however, the back, however, with the elastic is too big by 2 inches, so I have to take away some of the elastic, which means I have to undo some of the stitching I just did. Fun. So I gotta do that, which takes away time, so I probably won't be able to do the ruffles today. Just going based off of that, because I have to unstitch what I just did. So I have to unstitch what I just did. Right? Man, it was looking nice too. Sheesh. It's 11 inches. It needs to be 9. At the most. 9. Needs to stop here. And it's out here. Plus, so 9.5. That includes the zipper. My hands are rough, y'all. Excuse my hands. 9.5, so it needs to stop here. So I need to take off 1.5 inches of elastic. And yeah, the way I did it, this stitch is sewn to the elastic itself. And this one just kind of encases it inside. So I have to undo the one I just did and undo the one I did here pretty much completely, at least up to here, and then cut and then redo it. So that's gonna be fun. Okay, let's do this and get it over with. It's 11:56. I'm gonna do this sitting down with my trusty water here next to this table so I can do it all.
All glory to you. No for them a chat him out, so you can't tell them nothing. Then we go behind your back and go chat you. If you are fine, them wouldn't try get you. This is the truth and the whole truth. I can always rely on you. I when the money not there and the bills them overdue. Confidence in you are higher. No matter the secrets from me telling you, always stay true are higher. All praises to you. Confidence in you are higher. No matter the circumstances, you always come true. All glory to you. Confidence in you are higher. No matter the secrets from me telling you, always stay true are higher. All praises to you. Confident in you are higher. No matter the circumstances, you always come true. All glory to you.
Hey y'all, how you doing? So I messed up with the elastic part, sewing it on. I sewed it on the wrong way and it caused a gap, so I had to unstitch it and redo it, but now it's all done. Yeah, it's the gather part. Nice and stretchy. Okay, front, inside. So everything's pretty much good. I just gotta do the I'm gonna have to iron that fabric out first, and then do the ruffles at the bottom, cut those out, and yeah, work on that, and I'll be straight. I'll be straight for the most part. So all I have to do left really right now is the ruffle at the bottom and the zipper. So we're getting stuff done here, people. We're getting stuff done. I'm so excited. Okay, now you know what the routine is at this point for me. I am done. So, okay, I'm going to put these babies down for naps. I'm going to eat and drink more water and go on with the rest of my day. I'm like staring hard every time I move my eyes. Like I want to stare some more, but I'm gonna go. I felt good today. It felt good. It felt good getting more stuff done. I think that was the main thing. Like, still feeling like I have more stuff to do and I'm not getting enough done. But it felt good to get up early, get some work done, take a nap, take a morning nap, and then get back, you know, get family stuff done, like breakfast and going back to work. So now I'm working on, as far as getting up early, is hopefully trying to stay up so that I can stay up to I just keep staring. So I can stay up and have the energy to go over things with my kids instead of them only relying on Miss Monica on YouTube, which irks me to the core. So, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna go. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this was, I know this vlog is gonna be longer. And so I hope you guys enjoy the longer vlog. If not, I don't mind cutting them in half. But, because that'll give me more content to spread out and post more regularly. Then, yeah, I'm gonna go. I'll see you guys later. Have a great morning, great afternoon, great evening, wherever you are in the world, and I'll talk to you later.
You didn't know, now you're gonna, yeah.